Dear student, today we shall learn in statistics, measure of center tendency or statistics. We know that average, sum of observation upon number of observation. Sum of observation upon number of observation. अदर वे में एवरेज को अर्थमेटिक मीन डिनोटेट कर सकते हो. मीन मीन्स एक्स बार इक्वल टू सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, सम मीन्स सिग्मा एक्स आई अपॉन नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन डिनोटेड बाई एन. सिंबल फॉर्म में एक्स बार इक्वल टू सिग्मा एक्स आई अपॉन एन. सेकेंड फॉर्मूला डायरेक्ट मेथड ऑफ मीन. डायरेक्ट मेथड ऑफ मीन एक्स बार इक्वल टू सिग्मा एक्स आई एफ आई अपॉन सिग्मा एफ आई. थर्ड मेथड एज्यूम मीन मेथड बाई मीन. एज्यूम मीन मेथड एक्स बार इक्वल टू ए प्लस सिग्मा एफ आई डी आई upon sigma fi, where di equal to xi minus a. And last method, step deviation method, x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h multiplied by h, where ui equal to xi minus a upon h. For method, average simple formula, sum of observation upon number of observation. Symbol form में x bar equal to sigma xi upon n. Second method, the direct method, x bar equal to sigma xi fi upon sigma fi. Third method, assume mean method, x bar equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi, where di equal to xi minus a. Last method, step deviation method, x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h, where ui equal to xi minus a upon h. Using two formula, average and direct method, some solve the important question. First question. If marks obtained by 10 students in a maths are numbers 52, 75, 40, 70, 43, 40, 65, 35, 48 and 52. Find the mean. Mean find करना. Mean equal to sum of observation upon number of observation. Sum of observation. First 52, 75 plus 40 plus 70, 43, 40, 65, 35, 48 and 52. Number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Divide by 10. Sum of observation, sum 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 23, 23, 28 and 30. 0 and 3 carry. 8 for 12, 15, 15 and 6. 21, 25, 29, 36, 40, 47 and 52. 520. Upon 10, 0, 0 cancel and 52. Then this number is mean equal to 52. Second question. The monthly salary of workers in a school are rupees this 1,720, 1,750, 1,760 and 1,710. Find the mean of salary. Second question, formula mean equal to sum of observation upon number of observation. Sum of observation are 1720, 1750, 1760, 1710 and number of observation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sum 0, 0, 0 and 0, overall 0. 1, 6, 7, 7 and 5, 12, 12 and 2, 14. Carry 1, 8, 15, 15, 7, 22, 22, 7, 29, 2, carry 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6,940. Divide by 4 and dividing 4, 1 ja, 7 ja, 2 ja and 0. 1 ja 28, 29, 7 ja 28, 3 ja 12 and 25 ja. So average salary is 1,735. Next question. Find the mean. Observation xi equal to 3, 5, 8, 11 and frequency 2, 4, 5, 7. Question number 3rd. Xi and Fi. Xi 3, 5, 8, 11 and Fi 2, 4, 5 and 3. डायरेक्ट मेथड यूज कीजिए. x बार इक्वल टू सिग्मा xi fi अपॉन सिग्मा fi. नेक्स्ट स्टेप xi मल्टीप्लाई बाय fi. 3 2 जा 6, 5 4 जा 20, 8 4 जा 40, 11 3 जा 33. Sum of xi fi sigma xi fi 639 and 639 99. Sum of frequency 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14. Put the value of formula sigma xi fi 99 and frequency sum of frequency 14. Divide by 14 7 ja 98, 1.00 and 7 times. Therefore mean is 7.07. Next question. Find the value of P. P is a unknown number of frequency if mean is 7.5. Xi and Fi 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 6, 8, 15, P, 8 and 4. Mean equal to x bar 7.5. Direct method fi xi multiply by xi fi 18, 5 8 ja 40, 15 7 जा 105, 9p, 11 8 जा 88, 13 4 जा 52. Sum of frequency and sigma xi fi. P as it is plus 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 15 29, 29 and 8 37, 41. 9p as it is plus 0 8 5 13, 13 and 10 23. 3 2 carry, 3 4 7 7 and 8 50, 15 15 and 5 20. 2 carry, 2 1 3. Using formula x bar equal to sigma xi fi upon sigma fi. Put the value of mean x bar equal to 7.5 given. Sigma xi fi 9p plus 303 upon sigma fi p plus 41. Solve the equation and find the value of p. Point upon 10. Cancel 5, 2 ja 15. 15 by 2, 9p, 303. P plus 41. By cross multiply. 2 multiplied by 9p plus 303. 15 multiplied by p plus 41. 2 9 ja 18p, 606, 15p, 15 1 ja 15, 15 4 ja 60 and 1 61. Transfer p left side में and constant number right side में. 18p minus 15p equal to 615 minus 606. Subtract 3p equal to 9. P equal to 9 upon 3 equal to 3. Find the value of p equal to 3. Next question. xi fi 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. Frequency 46, blanks 25, 10 and 5. Sum of frequency 200 and mean equal to 1.46. Find the value of unknown number, suppose x and y. xi fi 0 x 2y 25 3 ja 75 40 and 25. Sum of sigma xi fi 75 and 25 100 140 plus x plus 2y. And sum of frequency sigma fi x plus y plus 30 plus 10 40 40 plus 46 86. We know that sum of frequency given is 200 and find the x plus y plus 86. Therefore equal x plus y plus 86 equal to 200, transfer by 86, x plus y equal to 1 for equation 1. Using the formula x bar equal to sigma xi fi upon sigma fi. Put the value of mean equal to 1.46. Sigma xi fi equal to 140 plus x plus 2y. Sum of frequency given 200. 100 and 100 cancel by cross multiply. 1 multiply x plus 2y plus 140 equal to 146 multiplied by 2. 292. Transfer the 140. X plus 2y equal to 152. Equation 2. Using equation 1 and 2. X plus y 114. Solve the method, elimination method, substitution method and cross multiply method. Subtracting equation 2 and 1. Sign change. X and x cancel. 2y minus y, y. 152 subtract 1 for 38. Y equal to 38. Using equation 1. X plus y equal to 114. Put the value of y. Y is 38 and 114. Transfer the 38. X equal to 114 minus 38. Subtracting 76. X equal to 76 and y equal to 38. Thank you.